Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online, and I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is an absolutely perfect way to tackle those hard floors, and that is, it is a mop and bucket set. But why I particularly like this one is it keeps the dirty water and the clean water separate. It also cleans itself, so you're not spreading around dirty water. So this was sent over by a company called ADICOM, and this is the bucket itself. It's going to come with everything you need. Naturally, you are going to get a user manual. We're covering all the features here in the video. So first, let's go over the bucket itself. So as you can see here, it is. Give you an idea of the size here. The skinny part is about 7.5 inches width, and then it's about 12 inches kind of in length, and then height-wise, it's about 14.25 inches in height. Now, this does have a little button here with a USB Type-C cord, which is going to allow you to charge up the battery, because like I mentioned, this thing does clean the mop automatically every time you go in and re-dip it, so you're not spreading around that dirty water. And so how that all works is simply go ahead and turn on the light. It'll go ahead and activate the battery part in here. It's going to last a long time as far as that battery life. It's going to last about 60 uses. So you're going to get plenty of time as far as utilizing it. And per the bucket itself, it's going to cover approximately about 1,000 square feet. Now that's obviously going to depend on how often you're dipping it and going back and everything like that. But it's simply, you're just going to take your mop. As you can see here, it is. It looks kind of very much like those, just kind of the flat mops itself, which we're going to go over here in a minute. But you're going to go ahead and position it, and as you dip it in, you're going to hear that sound, and what it's doing is there is a bunch of little kind of rubber pieces in there that's scraping it, and then it's also hosing it with fresh cleaning solution. There's even a spot here on the top that's going to scrape off any debris, hair, or anything like that, so it doesn't go back into the water. Pull it back out, and it's going to do the same situation. So very, very easy to use. And you're going to have two departments here. You're going to have basically your clean water tank and then your dirty water tank on the other side. Both of these compartments themselves hold 6 liters of water. So very holds a lot of water essentially. And they're very easy to clean. As you'll notice here at the bottom, you're gonna have 2 little plugs. Just go ahead and pull those out, and that's gonna allow you to basically drain the 2 compartments. And then you can also, if you don't wanna do that, there is little kind of handles here or holes, which you can go ahead and pour out as well. As far as moving it, as you'll notice on the bottom side, it does have wheels. So it's very easy to wheel this along as you're cleaning through your house. But if you wanna carry it, it also has this nice handle as well. That goes ahead and basically hides when you are utilizing it. So overall, very efficient bucket setup, very easy to use. If you don't want the auto spray filter and you just want to go ahead and scrape it, you can do that. Just go ahead and put in your mop like you normally would and just make sure the button is turned off. Now, another nice thing I love about it is obviously the mop itself. So you can see it's a nice linear mop style here, very much like the Swiffer kind of setup. Give you an idea of the pad here. It's about 13 inches in width, so you can cover more square footage, completely flexible. So easy to do baseboards or easy just to do your floors. You can get very low profile, so you can get underneath furniture, which is another great thing. And then you're gonna notice I have it, just so it's easier to see on the camera here, it is very customizable as far as assembling the handle, depending on how tall you are. So they just simply screw in the various pieces, and you can adjust your height. It does have on the very end here a hook, so if you do wish to hang it up, you can do that as well. But very easy, very lightweight, so you're not gonna get kind of heavy arm fatigue or anything like that. The pad is gonna stick via just nice little kind of Velcro back, and then there's a little secure part here that you're just gonna go ahead and twist, and then pop this off, and it's gonna go ahead and remove the little pads itself. So that way it's very flexible and easy to pull on the side pocket. So it's very secure, so you don't have to worry about like it crimpling up on you because it tucks into the sides, and then it's also that Velcro piece So it's very, very nice. It's also gonna include essentially 2 more pads so you can go ahead if they do get dirty over time, because even though this is cleaning them, they're still gonna get slowly dirty over time. Go ahead and swap them out as you wish. And then you can just throw these in the machine, wash and dry, so that way they're all nice and clean and ready to use again for the next time. But overall, absolutely love this thing. Very easy to mop, essentially your kitchen, your hardwood floors, whatever your setup is, it works very, very well, and I totally recommend checking it out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.